All right. Today is the letter Z. Z, Z, zipper, or the end of the word buzz. All right, watch. First, pencils down. So you're going to start with that roller coaster up and around. And then it's kind of weird because once it hits the base line, it does this little like hiccup before it goes out and around. And I like mine to be a little more obvious than this is. So I'm going to make mine a little more obvious. I'll show you what I mean by that. If you take off this connecting line, it kind of looks like the number 3. Do you see how it's kind of like a slanted 3? So that's how I'm going to do it. You just watch. Put your pencil down. So right here, I'm going to do a roller coaster beginning. So I go up the roller coaster, down the roller coaster. When I get to the bottom line right here, I am going to do like a hiccup where I kind of do a bump where I go up a little bit, okay? And now this packet doesn't show it very obviously, but I want it to be very obvious that you did a hiccup. So you're going to hiccup, and you're going to go down and then back around to connect. So let me show you what it looks like as an in-between. You're going to do your normal roller coaster, go up the roller coaster, down the roller coaster. When you get to the bottom line, hiccup, do that little bump, and then connect, okay? Try it with me. Do it on the first one. Ready? So go up your roller coaster. When you touch that bottom line, hiccup, and then go around to connect. Do another one. Roller coaster, go up and over the peak. When you touch the bottom, hiccup, and go around to connect. Try one on the in-between space. Ready? Do your roller coaster up. When you go back down and hit the bottom line, hiccup, and then go around to connect. I love Z's. I think they're super cool. So look how neat the word pizza looks. Ready? So we've learned all these letters. P goes like this. I, Z, Z, A, dot. Isn't that cool? I love when there's Z's in words. They're one of my favorites. All right, spell this with me. Ready? Z, I, P, P, E, R. Zipper. Next one. Z, E, S, T. Zest. So like the zest of an orange is like taking off some of the peel. All right. Now, before you finish, trace it, write it, finish all your Z's, I want to show you a cool trick that if you have a Z or a Y at the end of a word, and there's also a T in that word, you can use the Z and the Y to cross the T. So let me show you with the word party. I know that's a Y and not a Z, but watch this. When I write the word party, P-A-R-T, now look at the Y. It can go out and around, across. Isn't that cool? And then the Z is the same way. My maiden name before I was married was Amstutz, and I would write it like this. A-M-S-T-U-T, and then I would do my Z like that and cross my T's with it. Isn't that really neat? So that's something cool you can try, is doing Y's and Z's and crossing your T's with them. That's a little fancy trick. But you go ahead, finish them up, circle which Z you think is your best, and get busy.